Hi everyone, my name's Thomas, coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com once again with this beautiful 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. It has a fabulous, gorgeous, shiny, high-end Matador red paint. This is a factory code cow tag RR car, which is the color that I mentioned. The body on the car is in excellent shape. I'm gonna do a quick walk around for your observation, since a lot of you are out of state and are looking to make a purchase. As you can see, the car has aftermarket American Racing upgraded wheel and tire package, 4-wheel cross drilled power disc brakes, beautiful stance, great look, no rubbing on the tires, excellent fitment. Car came out of Georgia, beautiful chrome bezels, rear tail light lenses, excellent wheel trim, chrome door handles, dual sport mirrors on both sides, the antennas mounted. Emblems are correct all around the car, but the cow induction emblem on the hood has been added. Excellent front grille, super nice fine triple plate front chrome bumper. Fabulous car. To walk a little bit closer onto the car, I want you guys to pay attention to that reflection. 7 coats of paint and 7 coats of clear. Look at the reflection in the sky. It's magnificent, guys. Not a scratch anywhere on the car at all. Beautiful. Wheel and tire package is brand new on the car. Excellent setup. The front wheel on this particular car is a 225/40/18, and then the wheel in the back is a 255/35 ZR20. I'm going to step back so you guys can check out that stance. Paint is a 10 to me. It's mint. It's at least a $15,000-$20,000 paint job on this car. This is a high-end Camaro. Let's check out the engine compartment. All right, here we are. Nice built 350. Double hump heads. Port and matched to the intake. Edelbrok intake. Headers upgraded. You can see power disc with the proportion valve. No power steering, but it's not that hard to maneuver. Upgraded Be Cool aluminum radiator. All new GM hoses. Factory control A-arms with newer bushings. Inner fenders have been painted a gloss black and they look excellent. Argent color, and on the hood hinges, which tells me that the guy that restored it knew what he was doing, because that's how it came factory in that color. The argent on the hood hinges and the latch. Okay. There's the working horn setup, and the striker is argent as well. So now we'll check out the interior. Door gaps are really nice. Door jambs, body by Fisher. Inner door jambs. And excellent setup here on brand new door panels. I have the emblem for here as well. The Camaro emblem. It's actually right there. I just have to stick it on and make sure it stays on with the double-faced, double adhesive. The driver's seat has a little wrinkle in it. I'm gonna try and get that out with a heat gun and smooth this out. Upgraded 3-spoke aluminum wooden steering wheel. All the vents are chrome here. Excellent knobs, very clear lenses, showing 73,550 on the odometer. Fuel gauge, RPM tach, your lighter, your ignition, your upgraded 3 gauges here, and your controllers. And yes, the heat and defrost does work. Kenwood stereo works, and bam, 4-speed Hurst shifter. There's the excellent door panel, excellent dash pad, nice sun visors above, along with the headliner and the working dome light. Rear seat, all intact. Nice package tray. It does have the shoulder belts on both sides. And let's check out the trunk. All right. Both quarters have been professionally, totally replaced on both sides. Look at the finish. Excellent all around on both sides. Under the trunk lid, professionally painted. There's your bumper jack and your assembly. It's been spackled correctly underneath the Chevrolet mat. Underneath is super clean. Big 10-bolt, as you can see. Multi-leaf springs, newer shocks, newer gas tank, dual exhaust. Gorgeous car. So the only thing we got to do now, boys and girls, is go for a ride. There's a lot of traffic out today. But just like the driver's side, that's how beautiful the passenger side jams are as well. This was a professional build, guys. That's why my price is what it is, because it's quality. It ain't junk, it's quality. And quality guys, quality builders know when they look at this car. And obviously you can too, because it is just simply gorgeous. Let's go for a ride. All right. As you can see, all the gauges function. Left turn signal, right turn signal, horn. Now, wipers, when I turn the switch, it doesn't work. So, you know they don't work. Okay, and there's your Hurst 4-speed. Let's mount the camera and go for a ride. Transmission shifts really nice and easy. Go this way, maybe cut out from the traffic. All right, go for a little test drive. Nice and smooth down the road. So here she is, 1968 Chevrolet Camaro that has been restored throughout. If you guys need financing, call me, text me, 847-848-1850. There's a lot of traffic out right now, so I'm not gonna go for a test drive on this one now because there's too much traffic. So again, call me, text me. From all photos, go to mgmclassiccars.com. If you need delivery, you guys know how to get in touch with me. Just a spectacular high-end paint job on the Camaro, restored condition with a great stance, and it does show very well on the vehicle. First one to see it, I guarantee you, is writing the check. For financing, if you're about $650 to a $720, call my guy Chris Laganelli at JJ Best. His number's 508-415-1035. If you're above, $725 and up, and you don't want to put any money down, or do want to put some money down, go to lightstream.com. They will approve you in 15 minutes. As soon as you get approved, call me. Let's secure the vehicle, and we'll get it delivered to your home. Anything else you need, let me know. My name's Thomas. And again, I can be reached at 847-848-1850. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.